Hi, my name's Dan and I'm one of the trainers here at Lifelites. I'm going to talk to you about augmented reality apps and games on your iPad. All of your augmented reality apps can be found in the augmented reality folder. Augmented reality, or AR, are apps that allow you to make use of the camera on your iPad and bring the apps that you are playing into the real world. First up is the My Hungry Caterpillar app. As you can see, this is bringing the hungry caterpillar into the room with you. Here you can interact with him, helping him find things to eat, and tapping on toys for him to play with. A lovely way to bring a children's book character to life. Next is Our Pirates, an app that lets you hunt for buried treasure wherever you may be. First, explore your environment and choose a spot to bury the treasure. Then move to another location and hand the iPad over for whoever is going to hunt for the treasure. They follow the map at the top of the screen until they arrive at the X and then dig for the treasure. Please be aware that the app does not recognise if you go up or down the stairs. Next is Quiver Masks. Here you can print off a picture from the Quiver website, colour in your mask and bring it to life, even wearing it yourself. It also comes preloaded with other masks as well, and you can put these onto your face or turn the camera around and put them onto somebody else. Next is Quiver Colouring. Here you can download pictures from the Quiver website, colour them in, and then use the app to bring them to life. Here you can see the colour scheme we've already used. You can also interact with the characters as well. Next is Quiver Fashion. This gives you the option to scroll through a variety of models, choosing whichever one you like, and then sending them down the catwalk. What you can also do is change your view to watch them. You can then choose a model and change their outfits, scrolling through a variety of options. Finally, you can print a picture off from the Quiver website, colour it in, and use the iPad camera to bring it to life. Finally, you have MSQRD. This allows you to use the camera on the iPad to take some funny pictures and change the way you look. You even have the option to create videos as well. You can flip the camera around and use these on other people in the room at the same time. Next, we are going to look at the games on the iPads. All your games can be found in a folder marked Games. Here are the games you have on your iPad. First up is Stickman, a lovely game where you draw the hero. After you've chosen your hero, you then need to draw him a friend. Unfortunately, your friend gets kidnapped and you have to set off on an adventure to rescue him. You can choose to redraw your character at any time. Next up is Lego Creator Islands. In this game, you collect yellow bricks and choose different sets to build. By tapping on the screen, you put the smaller blocks together, and then you drag and drop the bigger pieces into place until you have a complete set. This is then placed on the island, where you can continue to build other things as well. Next is Go Thomas. This is a simple racing game with characters from the Thomas the Tank Engine universe. Here, you race against the other characters around a set track, tapping on the green button on the right-hand side of the screen to go faster. You win cogs, which help you level up your character to win more races. Finally, you have CBeebies Playtime Island. Here, you can scroll through and download a variety of games linked to your favourite CBeebies shows. You can download multiple games to the iPad, but you do need to be connected to the internet to do so. That's it from me. Back to your trainer.